हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल फिशरीज दुनिया। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं फिशरीज साइंस जेआरएफ क्वेश्चन पेपर 2019 का। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, इन द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ फिश फीड हाई प्रेशर एंड टेम्परेचर एक्सक्यूशन इज डन फॉर प्रोड्यूसिंग। सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर 3, फ्लोटिंग पिलेट्स। Next question, physostomous condition of gas bladder refers to. So the correct answer is option number 4, connection with gut. Next question, among the cephalopods more than 8 circumoral appendages are found in. So the correct answer is option number 2, Nautilus. Fishermen must sell all of their daily catch before it spoils for whatever price offered. Once the fish are caught, the fishermen's price elasticity of supply of fresh fish is. So the correct answer is option number first, 0. Next question, which among the following is not an immunodiagnostic method? So the correct answer is option number 4, in situ hybridization. Mussel culture originated in. So the correct answer is option number 2, France. The WTO, World Trade Organization, was introduced in the year. So the correct answer is option number first, 1995. Next question, when a computer performs 2 or more procedures at the same time, it is. So this question is correct answer is option number 2, multitasking. The lake planktons are called as. So the correct answer is option number 3, limnoplankton. Next question, thyroid hormone secretion is stimulated by. So the correct answer is option number 2nd, TSH. Option number 2nd. Next question, the prescribed cord end mesh size for the trawl is. So the correct answer is option number 4, 35 mm. Next question, the basic requirement towards biodiversity conservation is. So the correct answer is option number 2, database development. Next question, goldfish is a. So the correct answer is option number 2, egg layer. Egg layer. Next question, ionizing radiation permitted for use in food preservation is. So the correct answer is option number 2, gamma rays. Causative agent for EUS in fish is epizootic ulcerative syndrome. EUS stands for. So the correct answer is option number 2nd, Aphanomyces invadens. Next question, which among the following fishes is protected under the Schedule 1st of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972? So the correct answer is option number 2nd, Rhincodon typus. Next question, the pollution control boards in India are. So the correct answer is option number 3, statutory bodies. Next question, Winkler's method is used to measure. So the correct answer is option number 2, dissolve oxygen. Next question, the organism that depends on preformed organic carbon as glucose for their growth are called. So the correct answer is option number 4, heterotrophic. A perfectly competitive fish market has. So the correct answer is option number 4, many buyers and sellers. Next question, the forward end of the vessel which is connected at the lower end of the keel of the vessel is known as. So the correct answer is option number 2, stem. If the survival rate is 0.54, the annual mortality rate will be. So the correct answer is option number 1st, 0.46. Which one of the following hormones is not synthetic? So the correct answer is option number first, HCG. HCG is a natural synthetic hormone. Sorry, natural hormones. Next question, the maximum total fat content in fish protein concentrate type A is, so the correct answer is option number 2, 0.75%. The first United Nations Conference on the Law of the Sea was held at Geneva in the year. So the correct answer is option number 3, 1956. Next question, the larval stage of freshwater mussel is, so the correct answer is option number 4, Glossidium. The upper warmer water of a stratified lake is termed, so the correct answer is option number 2, Epilimnion. Catch per unit effort in a fishery will not improve by, so the correct answer is option number first, increasing the number of fishing boats. The presence of human hair in the processed fish product is considered as, so the correct answer is option number 2, physical hazard. Next, of the various processes occurring in a population from management point of view, the most important one is, so the correct answer is option number first, fishing mortality. Skewed jigging employs the principle of, so the correct answer is option number first, light. The 2n number of chromosome in Katla is, so the correct answer is option number 2, 50. Eggs of freshwater prawns hatches into, so the correct answer is option number 4, Juia. The type of hooks used for commercial tuna pole and line operation is, so the correct answer is option number first, barbless. Which of the following is known as black clam? So the correct answer is option number 3, Bilorita cyprinoides. Apparatus used for estimation of nitrogen N2 in feeds is, so the correct answer is option number 3, जेल्डाल estimation method होता है. Next, which of the following sets of ions are necessarily required in muscle contraction? So the correct answer is option number 2, calcium and magnesium. Next time, migration from freshwater to marine water is referred to as, so the correct answer is option number 4, catadromus, and freshwater and marine to freshwater, anadromous. Fish spermatozoa is preserved by cryopreservation using, so the correct answer is option number 4, liquid nitrogen. The binary system uses the power of, so the correct answer is option number 2. Banning of fishing during a particular time to project brood fish is called, so the correct answer is option number 2, recruitment overfishing. Bull trolling is done by, so the correct answer is option number 2, 2 boats. The depth at which in a water body the oxygen produced by photosynthesis is equal to that conserved by respiration is, so the correct answer is option number 3, compensation depth. The amount of available phosphorus in a highly productive pond should be, so the correct answer is option number 4, more than 6%. Next, logistic model was developed by, so the correct answer is option number 3, SCAFR. The unit used to measure the speed of ship and water current is, so the correct answer is option number first, knot. An idea and actions that explain how a firm will make its profit is referred as, so correct answer is option number first, strategy. Next, velizer is the larval form of, so the correct answer is option number first, molluscus. The large free swimming organism are called as, so the correct answer is option number 4, nekton. In the classification of bivalve, the most important character used is, so the correct answer is option number 2, cell morphology. Next, adipose fin is not a characteristic in, so the correct answer is option number first, Anavantiformis. Fish fillets should be prepared, so the correct answer is option number 2, after resolution of rigor. Next, the Z value taken for calculating the cook value for canned fish product is, so the correct answer is option number first, 33 degrees Celsius. BOD is a measure of, so the correct answer is option number 3, organic pollution. Fish soluble is also known as, so the correct answer is option number 3, stick water. Which of the following layer is composed of soft mud or ooze? So the correct answer is option number 3, benthic zone. Next, the common disease found in tiger shrimp and responsible for drastic decrease in shrimp production is, so the correct answer is option number 4, white spot disease. Sixth, no-play stage of tiger shrimp metamorphosis into, so the correct answer is option number 2, Juia. The magnitude of natural mortality in the sea depends on, so the correct answer is option number 4, predation. Next, primary consideration for the construction of a fish farm is, so the correct answer is option number 2, selection of site. Krill is included under the order, so the correct answer is option number 2, Euphasinicea. Next, catamaran is not found at the coast of, so the correct answer is option number 2, Maharashtra. Any patents, trademark, copyrights, trade secrets held by the entrepreneur are known as, so the correct answer is option number first, intellectual property right. Next question, the naturally occurring antioxidant is, so the correct answer is option number 4, vitamin E. Next, the monofilaments are usually prepared from, so the correct answer is option number 3, polyamide. Next question, case culture originated in, so the correct answer is option number 2, Cambodia, that is also called Kampuchea. The scientific name of whale sardine is, so the correct answer is option number 2, Sardinella longiceps. Next question, Pokali paddy fields are present in, so the correct answer is option number 3, Kerala. Which one is not an essential amino acid? So the correct answer is option number 2, serine. Next question, in a virgin stock of fish, Z is equal to, so the correct answer is option number 4, natural mortality. Trawling of several small trawls with the help of otter boats from a single boat, that is called, so the correct answer is option number 3, multi-rig. As per records, the earliest fish cultured was, so the correct answer is option number 3, common carp. White spot in fishes is caused by a, so the correct answer is option number 4, parasite. Next, the device instrument used by oceanographers to collect water samples from deep water is, so the correct answer is option number 2, Nansen bottle. Nansen bottle used in the device instrument used by oceanographer to collect the water samples from deep water is deep water. Next question, the minimum F naught value to which the canned fish should be subjected to make it safe from health hazard causing microorganism is, So the correct answer is option number 2, 2.52 minutes. The non-protein nitrogen content is highest in. So the correct answer is option number 2, elasmobranchs. Of as for fisheries management is the responsibility of. So the correct answer is option number 2, central government. Next, during the rearing period from fry to fingerling, the recommended range of supplementary feed for carps is. So the correct answer is option number 3, 6% to 10% of the body weight. Next, the two populations in the same habitat at a different times a year are an example of. So the correct answer is option number first, temporal isolation. Bacterial responsible for oxidizing nitrate to nitrite in aquatic water bodies is. So the correct answer is option number 3, nitrobacter. The order of a spoilage process in fish post-mortem is. So the correct answer is option number first, drop in ATP, rigor, autolysis, putrefaction. One of the most variable yet important characters used in species description is. So the correct answer is option number 2, color patterns. Which one of the following is most productive ecosystem in terms of biomass production? So the correct answer is option number 3, brackish water ecosystem. Next question, the type of scales found in shark is. So the correct answer is option number 3, placoid. Marine protected area and sanctuary are declared under. So the correct answer is option number 2, Wildlife Protection Act. Next, eggs are adhesive in case of. So the correct answer is option number 4, common carp. Green mussels attach themselves to the rocky substrates by means of. So the correct answer is option number 2, viscous threads. The group of fish tolerant of wide temperature variation is. So the correct answer is option number first, eurythermus. एंड नैरो टेम्परेचर वेरिएशन टॉलरेंट जो होता है वो स्टीनोथर्मस होता है. नेक्स्ट, द इम्पॉर्टेंट विटामिन्स प्रेजेंट इन फिश ऑयल आर. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर 3, विटामिन ए एंड डी. The concept of virtual population analysis in fish population dynamics was introduced by. So the correct answer is option number 2, Guland. Jhils are commonly seen in the topographical feature of. So the correct answer is option number 2, Brahmaputra. Prolactin in fish is secreted by. So the correct answer is option number 4, adenohypophysis. Next question, histamine is derived by decarboxylation of which of the following? So the correct answer is option number 2, histidine. The gills of pinnate shrimps are. So the correct answer is option number first, dendrobranchiate. Next question, members of the WTO are required to. So the correct answer is option number 4, enforce patent rights for patent holders from other countries. Next question, the fishing method which is normally not used in reservoir is. So the correct answer is option number 3, trawling. The most common reservoir used in fishing method is gill netting. FAO adopted the code of conduct for responsible fisheries during. So the correct answer is option number first, October 1995. Next question, Asian sea bass is. So the correct answer is option number first, euryhaline. The well mixed and lighted zone of the lake is termed as. So the correct answer is option number 2, euphotic zone. The scientific name of featherback is. So the correct answer is option number 2, Notopterus. And Anabas testudinis is climbing perch, Calarius batrachus is magur, and Chana striatus is striped marel. Which protein forms a connective tissue? So the correct answer is option number 4, stroma protein. The zone between normal high tide and low tide mark is called. So the correct answer is option number 3, foreshore. Next, an instrument commonly used to measure ocean temperature is. So the correct answer is option number 1, bathythermograph. Next question, which among the following is a component in the anti-fouling paints? So the correct answer is option number 3, mercury. The first Indian marine park was established at. So the correct answer is option number 3, Jamnagar. Next question, Indian Fisheries Act was enacted in the year. So the correct answer is option number 2, 1897. Which among the following is smaller in size and is suitable as an early larval feed? So the correct answer is option number 4, rotifers. A trawl net in which the mouth of net is kept open with the help of rigid structure attached to its mouth is a. So the correct answer is option number 1, beam trawl. Next question, the nutrient element necessary for a skeletal material in diatoms is. So the correct answer is option number 4, silicon. Next question, gift is a selective breeding program associated with. So the correct answer is option number 2, tilapia. GIFT stands for genetically improved farm tilapia. Next question, an example of obligatory anaerobic bacterium is. So the correct answer is option number 4, Clostridium botulinum. The father of limnology is. So the correct answer is option number 4, FA4L. Next question, fish is a poor source of. So the correct answer is option number 4, ascorbic acid. Which of the following country introduced individual transferable quota system for the first time as national policy? So the correct answer is option number 1, New Zealand. The textbook of classic of fish culture was written by. So the correct answer is option number 1, Fanley. Next question, Panley's method for estimation of naturally mortality holds good for. So the correct answer is option number 3, finfish. Whenever the ship is heeled, the position of center of buoyancy changes while the position of center of gravity. So the correct answer is option number 1, remains same. Next question, cyanocobalamin is also known as. So the correct answer is option number 4, vitamin B12. Next question, freshwater prawns are. So the correct answer is option number 4, omnivores and bottom feeders. The planktonic organisms measuring more than 1 centimeter in length of diameter. So the correct answer is option number 3, megaplankton. Next question, when a pond is constructed on the sandy soil, which one is used to reduce the seepage loss of water? So the correct answer is option number 1, organic manure. The aquatic water bodies which are low in nutrients with the low organic production are grouped under. So the correct answer is option number 3, oligotrophic. Next question, rampani is a type of. So the correct answer is option number 1, seine net. Next, the most commonly used building material for construction of fishing boat in India is. So the correct answer is option number 3, wood. The stain malachite green is used to diagnose which of the following viral disease in shrimp by squash method. So the correct answer is option number 2, MBV. MBV stands for monodon baculovirus. Next question, gonadal development is inhibited in shrimp due to the presence of. So the correct answer is option number 2, X organ complex. Next question, the most typical character of all mollusks is the presence of. So the correct answer is option number 3, mantle. Next question, TCBS is a selective differential bacteriological medium used for isolation of which of the following organisms are. So the correct answer is option number first, Vibrio species. The headquarters of Central Institute of Freshwater Aquaculture is located at. So the correct answer is option number 4, Bhubaneswar. Government of India has imposed uniform fishing ban along the west coast of India from. So the correct answer is option number 3, June 1st to July 31. Which of the following is one of the important function of extension education? So the correct answer is option number 3, action. Next question, the point or area inside the can या pouch where the maximum heat lag occurs during thermal processing is called as. So the correct answer is option number first, cold spot. Jayanti Rohu variety has been developed by. So the correct answer is option number second, Sifa. Which of the following regions of the Indian coast has the maximum continental shelf area? So the correct answer is option number second, northwest. The desirable CN ratio range of pond sediment for sustaining productivity in water is. So the correct answer is option number first, 10 to the 1 to 20 ratio 1. Which among the following fishes has the highest moisture content? So the correct answer is option number first, Bombay duck. Brackish water planktons are called. So the correct answer is option number 4, hypalmyroplanktons. Next question, the most affected fisheries in the world due to El Nino phenomenon is. So the correct answer is option number 4, Peruvian anchovy fisheries. Next question, in global inland fish production India holds. So the correct answer is option number 4, second position. In abundance of a stock is above the MSY, the stock is considered as. So the correct answer is option number first, underexploited. AHPND in shrimp is caused by. So the correct answer is option number 2, bacteria. Next question, the indicator of fecal contamination. So the correct answer is option number first, Escherichia coli. Next question, the protective layer of water on the frozen product is known as. So the correct answer is option number 3, glazing. Which of the following fish is called as aquatic chicken? So the correct answer is option number 3, tilapia. The plankton which forms permanent entity of the pelagic realm are called as. So the correct answer is option number first, holoplankton. At a very high salinity 250 ppt, the artemia is found as. So the correct answer is option number 3, cysts. Communities which are responsive to environmental changes and are excellent biological indicators of eutrophication is. So the correct answer is option number 3. Next, trichodesmium cause the phenomenon called. So the correct answer is option number first, red tide. Next question, freshwater fish have better quality than marine fish after the same duration of storage because of the absence of. So the correct answer is option number 3, TMAO, trimethyl amino oxide. The term water flea is used for. So the correct answer is option number 4, Daphnia. The complex network of interconnected food chain is called. So the correct answer is option number second, food web. Gonopodium is found in. So the correct answer is option number 4, Poecilidae. The process of oxidation of nitrite to nitrate by nitrifying organism or bacteria is called. So the correct answer is option number second, nitrification. The process of melanosis in shrimp is mainly attributed to. So the correct answer is option number second, phenol oxidase. The next question is the itai disorder is associated with. So the correct answer is option number 3, cadmium. An example of toxic green algae is. So the correct answer is option number second, microcystis. Next, the base material used for preparing crab analog imitated product is. So the correct answer is option number 4, surimi. Next, which among the following is the not traditional surimi product? So the correct answer is option number 3, sushi. Next, which of the following is not a color additive? So the correct answer is option number 1, saccharin. सो थैंक यू। अगर मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करें एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दें ताकि ऐसा वीडियो आपके पास सबसे पहले पहुंच सके। अगर आपको किसी भी टॉपिक में प्रॉब्लम हो रही तो प्लीज़ कमेंट करके बताएं।